Never said that we'll be number two or three. What we have already said, Deepshika, is that we want to be the most loved car company in India. What it means, I'll translate. So typically, every customer who buys a car evaluates around 2.6 cars. So our aim as a company is that one of those 2.6 cars should be Tata Motors. Rank is a consequence of that, and I think as we cover the white spaces, I think we are reaching there. As we cover, we have gained the market share. We have been outperforming the market for last 9 quarters, which is humbly we say we are proud of it. But at the same time, we know the challenge is much more. We have to do much better.
Right, sir. So, keeping that in mind, what kind of growth expectations do we have from the Tata Motors brand? Given that we aren't looking at any specific target, we're just looking to grow in the Indian market. Are there any specifics you can share with us in terms of growth targets?
I think we would, Deepshu, like to continue the track record we have, which is that we outperform the market. Siam projected around 7 to 8% market growth this year. I think first 5 months have been in line, 9.7%, and we think that we are confident that Tata Motor will be outperforming the market.
Right. So FAME 2 was not announced, and Gunter has spoken about this a little bit in the past as well. FAME 2 was not announced when you were expecting it in the last week in Delhi. So will there be a strategy change within Tata Motors to be able to align themselves now, considering that the money that we were expecting to come in with FAME 2 is not going to come in now in terms of infrastructure and so on?
Actually, we have definitely a plan to be moving in direction of electric, and we our for one announcement or all, I think plan doesn't change. Maybe there's a delay in FAME 2. It will come sooner than later. Yeah.
Other OEMs have been saying that they're finding it hard to justify their spending as far as electric vehicles are concerned now that FAME 2 has not come in. Is that the case for Tata Motors? And if not, sir, how are we going to justify the spending now?
I think we as a company, Deepshika, feel that electric is an idea whose time has come. This will happen sooner than we think, and the way technologies are growing, yes, it will happen. Yes, we need support in terms of infrastructure, charging infrastructure. Just, I think at least initial period, if there's some sort of fiscal support that will really accelerate the thing. But electric is an idea whose time has come, certainly come.
So, along with electric vehicles, there was also a mention by the government of trying to push for CNG within the Indian automobile ecosystem. So, are we going to see a CNG portfolio for Tata Motors? Is this something that we have in the pipeline? And if not, then when are we going to be able to see CNG coming out from Tata Motors, sir?
Deepshika, CNG is not something new. It has been there for a long time. However, the pace of growth of filling station is actually leaves much to be desired. It's not, you can see any city, the lines, the queue, long queues you see for getting CNG filled. CNG technology is available with us. We have launched earlier vehicles.